Hey guys, welcome to my ultimate Phuket travel guide. Phuket is an absolutely amazing place, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I've been there 4 times, so you can depend on the travel tips I'm about to give you. Packing for your Phuket trip. Phuket is very hot and humid, so these are a few things I suggest you bring along. I'll try and avoid jacket, jeans, and sneakers. Phuket for me is just too hot for those things. So you've just landed at Phuket International Airport. Now what? Phuket Airport is small and easy to navigate, so I wouldn't worry too much about finding your way around. If you haven't pre-booked your airport transfers, don't worry, there's a lot of taxis at the airport. So you just got to your hotel and you're ready to conquer the city. Is Phuket safe? Yes, Phuket is relatively safe. There are always many tourists walking around all over the place. However, it's always good to be aware of your surroundings. Let's quickly talk about cash. I recommend you guys always have a little bit of cash on you. There are a few street vendors that do not accept any cards, and it's better just to be prepared. Let's get to the fun stuff, the activities to do in Phuket. Now, one of my favorite activities, and you absolutely cannot miss this when you go to Phuket, is to visit the PP Islands. It's known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life. The next island you should visit is the famous James Bond Island. This beach was made famous after appearing in the 1974 James Bond movie The Man with the Golden Gun. Talk about famous movies, this is the beautiful Maya Bay Island. Maya Bay became even more famous after its appearance in the movie The Beach starring Leonardo DiCaprio. Another great activity, and you'll see it being advertised all around Phuket, a Mai Tai match. Absolutely awesome. One of Phuket's latest attractions, opened in May 2022, is the Andamanda Water Park. Covering 9.8 hectares of land, Andamanda is not just a water park, it's the best of Phuket in one place. Okay, I just want to get serious for 1 second. Another great activity to do in Phuket is to wash or swim with the elephants. I'm urging you guys to please not ride the elephants. I've seen how these elephants suffer, and honestly, it's heartbreaking. Okay, let's get back into it. Next, let's look at the nightlife of Phuket. So we have one of the most popular streets in Patong, which is Bangla Road. The street is filled with bars, clubs and pubs, my favorite being Illusion. Illusion has been voted the 13th best club in the world. And I mean, it's easy to see why. If you're looking for a more LGBTQ friendly street, head over to Thanan Ratuitsong. Oh, I don't know how to say that, but this is the road name. Once again, a lot of bars and clubs on the street, my favorite being Zag. One of the best parties I've had in my life was this full moon party at PP Islands. This experience to me was far better than any of the streets in Phuket. If you're able to join any of these parties, I definitely recommend it. You will not regret it. And then we also have Patong Beach. Patong Beach becomes really vibey at night, so I would suggest you guys check it out. There's no doubt that Phuket has some amazing street food. These are just two places that I really wanted to recommend to you guys. I'm at Banzan Fresh Market. There's literally food everywhere. So I really recommend you guys check it out. Let me show you around. It's pretty cool.
สวัสดีค่ะ Chicken Fry
One of my favorite things about coming to Thailand is the local beer, Chang, or as some people say, Chung. I absolutely love it so much. And as you can see, I'm really hot and sweaty, so this beer is going to go down really, really well. Cheers! And the second food market I wanted to recommend is the Malin Plaza. Once again, a lot of food, a big variety, definitely worth checking it out. If you're not so much into street food, head over to a 7-Eleven, get yourself a ready-made meal. It's so convenient and it's really quite cheap. One of the things I always do when I go to Phuket is shopping. I absolutely love shopping in Phuket. There are so many different shops everywhere and you can find some really great stuff sometimes. The biggest shopping tip I can give you guys is to always bargain when you buy something. 99% of the time when they see you're a tourist, they're going to try and overcharge you. And I can tell you now, when you bargain or you say you walk away because it's too expensive, they're gonna call you back and give you a big discount. So number one tip, don't forget it, really important. So there's a great mall in Phuket called Jansalon Mall. The mall has a lot of popular retail outlets, a cinema, arcade, authentic Thai restaurants, and all of the major popular food chains. The last thing I want to talk about, guys, is just some scams you need to be careful of. It's always fun driving in a tuk-tuk in Phuket. However, make sure you ask the driver how much he's going to charge you before he takes you to a destination. It's happened time and time and again where people take these rides only to get to their destinations and then they're being charged an arm and a leg. A scam I hate, and a lot of the clubs and pubs do this. While you're casually sipping a drink, you might have one of the staff members come into you asking you to buy them a drink. You might give in, only to find out that their drink is very expensive. This is just another way they make money, so please be wary of that. And that was my travel guide, guys. If you've made it this far, I want to thank you. I literally traveled to Phuket just to make this video, so I really do appreciate you watching it. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to know about Phuket, please drop it down in the comments and I'd be more than happy to answer you. I hope you enjoyed your trip to Phuket and thank you so much for watching.